Hey guys, this is Jesse from Bronze Bridge Productions, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this effect. Alright, let's get started. So I'm in Final Cut Pro and I have both of my time clips aligned like this. So you're going to hit B for your blade tool, and then you're going to move your header over like that too. And if you need to zoom in so you can see it better, and you're going to make another mark after 2, and I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch me doing this for the entire time. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to show you two different ways. So this over here is going to be every 2 frames, and this over here will be 4 frames, so you can get a sense of the difference. And when you're done with that, you're going to come over and hit A to get back to your arrow key, and then you're going to select the second clip, and then you're going to hold down Command and hit every other clip. And then when you're finished doing that, you can either hit V, and this will keep your clips still in the timeline, but it will disable them, or you can just delete them. And then you're able to come over and preview that. And there you have it. Alright, this was my first tutorial. I'm going to see how this one does, and if people like it, I'll make more. If you have any suggestions, you can feel free to leave me a comment. If you have any questions, you can feel free to leave me a comment, and I will possibly do more of these in the future, seeing how this one does. Alright, thanks guys.